So someone reached out to me that she saw my video on a particular channel, but she wasn't sure if the channel is mine, and that is why she's bringing it to my notice so that I will be aware in case the channel is not mine. And it occurred to me that it's been a while I checked my copyright to know people that are actually using my videos to make money on YouTube so that I can pull in all those money that they're making on their channel to my own channel. And that is why I'm making this video to teach you how to issue a copyright strike on any channel that is using your video. Now, you don't have to start scouting the whole of YouTube to find channels that are using your videos, your song, or anything that is related to your channel. And this can be done with just a few clicks. I'm going to show you how to issue a copyright strike. You know, all those strikes that you get when you upload someone's video or someone's music. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to issue your own strike, how to issue a takedown notice, and how to just ask nicely, please, I don't want my videos on your channel, kindly take it down, or I issue you a strike. And they're going to just remove the video from their channel, or if they insist, you can then go ahead and issue them a hot strike. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. To get started, all you have to do is to visit www.studio.youtube.com, and it's going to bring you to your channel. And on these settings right here on the left side, all you have to do is click on copyright, and here you can see channel copyright, and voila, you can see that 3 channels are currently using my video on their channel. That's not nice. I worked hard for this. That's not nice. All right, so you can see this one copied everything but the title, the same thing with this one, and the same thing with this one. Now you can see that these people have not gotten any views, right? This is just about 13 views, this is 6 views, and this is 0 views. Here you can see the subscriber count of the channel, quite a small channel. This one is 721, this one is 721. So apparently it's the same person, and this one is 2 subscribers. And you're taking my video, why? All right, so here you can see the match. This shows how much of their video contains your content. If it's 100%, it is an exact match. Now, YouTube is very smart. Their system is very smart. Even if it's a 2-minute video or 2-minute song, it's still going to point it out. Even if it's 1 minute, they're still going to point it out. Even if it's 10% of your entire video or your entire song, YouTube will still point it out. Then you can take actions here. There are some things I would love to teach you, but I don't know if it's a standard practice on YouTube, but what the heck, I'm going to go ahead and teach you anyway. Now, do you know that there are a couple of people that upload the same content on YouTube and make money in 2 ways? People that do this a lot are movie channels, even African folktale channels. I hope I don't get into trouble with this, but yes, even African folktale channel, they upload the same videos on different channels and make money on both channels. Because if I upload the video myself and then I give it to another person to upload on their channel, now the strike, the copyright is going to come to my own channel. So I now have the authority to issue out a strike, but I won't, because this other channel is mine, or I know about it. So now YouTube is going to drive traffic to this video individually and drive traffic to the video on my channel individually. So at the end of the day, this video will make like $5,000 on that other channel, and then make like $3,000 or $10,000 depending on the size of the channels. $10,000 on my own channel, and then the other channel will take their own share and give me mine. So they take like 30%, 40% and give me 60%, which is a cool deal. So instead of making just $10,000 from my own video, I'm going to end up making like $15,000 or $17,000 in total from that same video. I manage a whole lot of Nollywood channels, and I'm telling you best practices. I'm just leaking industry secret to you, and this is how people make a whole lot of money from their videos. So you can produce a movie with just a small budget, and you're going to get like times 300 or 400 of your capital that you invested in the movie. The same thing with African Folktale, and the same thing with some other faceless YouTube channels. If you want to learn more about this, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be in the comments answering all your questions. But please don't tell anybody about this. It's a secret between me and you. Don't tell anyone, just leave it between me and you. That is how you and I make money, extra money on YouTube. So don't tell anyone, because if you tell anyone, they start implementing all of that, and YouTube is going to find out and find a way to tackle it, and then you will stop making money and I will stop making extra money. So please don't tell anyone. Just keep it secret between the two of us. Come on. And go ahead and like this video. Here you can see that this one has 100% of their video. That means 100% of their video is mine. And this one is 50% of their video that is mine. So apparently they just cut it down, chopped it off. So the guy uploaded it twice, uploaded the first one, complete video, and then uploaded the second one and then cut it out. And he got 6 views. And again, you should see that it's not the video that brings the views, it's what you know and what you do on your channel. And in my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you why you are not getting views on your channel. I'm going to be sharing that with you. So do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload that video. You don't want to miss it. YouTube gives you opportunity to just go through the video by yourself. You can just click here and watch the video to see the portion of the video that is yours. So you can see from 5 minutes to 12 minutes is mine. So it's 100% of my video. And the same thing with this one, you can also watch it. And here you can copy the link to the channel and you're going to check out the channel if you want to. So if I paste it here, I'll be able to check out the channel to see what the channel looks like and what they are doing on the channel. So here you can see the channel staying healthy. Healthy, what does my video got to do with staying healthy? So here you can see they've gotten 42.9K views in 30 days and they've uploaded 409 videos in 30 days. Come on. So that means they are pulling videos from everybody and uploading it on their channel. And it's incredible that people have this kind of time. Why don't you invest the same time on your own channel, right? So coming back here, you can do the same thing for this one as well. Okay, let's check out this one and see what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and put this here and send it. Oh, voila. Here you can see how this one looks. 59 videos is a new channel, 19 videos so far. And if we go over to the videos that he has uploaded or she has uploaded, I don't know the person that owns the channel, but here you can see that is a bunch of people's videos that the person is uploading. And these are people that probably don't understand how YouTube works. They probably heard that people are making a hell lot of money on YouTube. So they came to YouTube without understanding how YouTube works. And that is why I dedicate my time, my energy, my resources, my everything to teach you everything that you need to know about starting and running a successful YouTube channel. Because trust me, YouTube money is unmatchable when it comes to content creation money, right? We're just going to come back here and now you can decide to take action. There's 2 things you can do here. This is removal requests. You can see the ones that I've issued previously. You can see resolved, 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 inactive, inactive. I removed this one. Okay, let me tell you guys a story. I made a video on how to get Canva Pro for free. I thought I was helping people, but I didn't know people were not. Okay, I'm still going to keep helping people anyway. But then the point here is someone copied my video, how to get, Canva Pro. And then I issued the person a takedown notice, not a strike, a takedown notice. What the person did, the person refused to take down the video. And rather, the person went and reported the video to Canva, right? And Canva, in turn, issued me a strike through YouTube and then took down the video. And what I said in the video wasn't even bad. It just Canva teams. I have Canva teams and I was just adding my subscribers to my teams so that they can have access to Canva Pro. But someone reported me and it hurt my channel so bad. So please do well to not share things that are going to hurt your channel. You don't want people reporting your videos because not everybody likes the fact that you are doing something with yourself or you're creating YouTube content, because they know that at a point you're going to start making thousands of dollars and they are not happy about that, which is one of the reasons why I said in my previous video that you shouldn't just share. If you're starting out your YouTube channel, you shouldn't be sharing with your family, friends, and loved ones, because you don't know who will just keep reporting your videos and they just kill your channel, right? So you don't want that. And here is messages. This is where you receive messages from the person that you issue a strike. The person probably will want to beg you, oh, please, can you please remove this strike? I promise I'm going to delete the video and I promise I'll never upload your videos on my channel again. So here is where you're going to get the messages, right? And archive. So archives is where you find your matching videos that you have archived. That is matching videos that you don't want to remove Remember what I said earlier. I'm not going to repeat it. Remember what I said earlier. So this is where you're going to put those videos. You're going to archive it and pretend that, oh, I didn't see it. So that you can be able to see the real ones. That is the people that are taking your videos without your consent. You can be able to see that. So now we're going to come back to matches again, and we're going to start taking action. So if you want to take bulk action, all we have to do is to mark all of them, right? You can select all of them like so, or you can take action one after the other, right? So let's unmark this and do it one after the other. So here you can choose to archive it, request removal, or contact channel, right? So if you click on contact channel here, so I'm going to be putting my email address. All right, so here you can see I've put in my email address, and look at the email that YouTube is going to send to this person. Hi, staying healthy. Another YouTube channel noticed their content in a video you uploaded, your video, then the title of the video, their video, the title of the video, their channel name, 7 Figure Boss Academy. If you use another channel's content without permission, they may ask YouTube to remove your video. Removal results in a copyright strike. Please, you see, removal results to a copyright strike against your account. The channel has provided its email address in case you would like to start a conversation, the YouTube team. So all I have to do here is send this, okay? Send this, hoping that the person will just go ahead and rush and delete the video. And then this one again, you can go ahead and do the same thing, or you can just click on request removal. But if I click on this request removal, it's going to issue them a strike instantly, and I don't want to do that to someone. So what I'm going to do here is click on contact channel and send the person an email. Again, send the person a second email. And this person, I'm going to do the same thing to this person. I'm going to click on contact channel, and I'm going to use the same email and send them this email. So the person will have a limited time to respond to the video. If not, YouTube will now step in and take down the video by themselves, and that won't be my making again. Now, if you're looking to learn how you can set up a YouTube channel with the right settings, all the settings that you need to succeed, the SEO, everything that you need to have a working, successful YouTube channel, then this video is definitely for you. Watch it. Even if you have an existing channel, watch it to learn things you can do on your own channel to improve the quality of the search result, that is your SEO, and everything that has to do with your channel and its growth. So go ahead and watch this video and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.